In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make over $570 a day using completely free AI tools. Now, so far I was able to make this amount of money that got actually paid to my PayPal account, and I've been testing this method for like 4 days. So if you put it into calculator, you can see that $2,282 divided by 4 equals exactly $570.63. So if you want to make this amount of money every single day using completely free AI tools, just make sure to watch this video through because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, exactly how to set this method up. And the best part about this entire thing is you don't even have to use these tools to make money with them. Almost every single method that you may have seen on YouTube so far is going to show you how to use a certain AI tool to create either some article or some image or something that can actually be exchanged for money. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with AI tools without actually using them. So if you're looking forward to this, make sure to smash that like button under this video, and also to stay tuned for more money making content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So as soon as I release a brand new money making video, you'll be notified immediately and you get to watch it right away. Okay, so the first thing you actually need to do to make money with this method is go to Google and you need to search for exactly this, scary robot tools. Now search for this, and what you want to do is go to this first result right here, which is saying scary robot tools, and the website name is exceptionaltrader714.ck.page, because you can see there are other results, scary robot tools, other results for scary robot tools. You don't want to use any of those. You want to use this exact website, exceptionaltrader714.ck.page, that has scary robot tools in the search title. Just go to this website, and it actually may seem like a scary page at first, something that will probably scam everything from your credit card details all the way to your dental records, but don't worry because this site is completely safe. You don't have to worry about anything except this scary picture right here. What you want to do here to get access is just type in your email address into this field right here. You want to just type in your email address and click on this grab now button, and you will be directed to this site which is listing all these free AI tools that you can use for anything that you may want to think on the internet. For example, we got some search engine decoders, traffic estimators, website checkers. Right at the top you can see there's ChatGPT bot unlocker, so you can skip the waiting list if ChatGPT is too crowded. Then you've got some keyword search tools, SEO tools, rank tracking software, AI content generator, that's not ChatGPT, and as you can see there's a bunch of them on this site. To actually make money with these, pick some that you like the most, go to their website by clicking on this get tool button and then click on this pop-up. And for example, this mangools.com, this is a SEO optimizer tool that has a bunch of other cool features as well. For example, keyword finder, rankings tracker, SERP for any location, and a bunch of other features that help people with their websites all around the world. As you can see, this is a very reputable website that's being used by some major brands, for example Airbnb, Alexa, Adidas, Retail Me Not. So this is a high quality AI service. But actually how to make money with this website without using these features, without having to have your own website, your own search engine optimization requirements and all that stuff, you can make money simply by promoting this website. Because as you can see, AI tools are all the fuzz now, and all these sites are competing for attention of the customers. Obviously everyone knows what ChatGPT is because it's all over the internet right now, but when's the last time when you heard about one of these websites, for example Local Viking or Offline Sharks? If you've heard about them, good for you, but many people haven't heard about these sites, and what these sites are actually willing to pay for is being promoted to people that may not know them. So I'm going to show you how to do this with this site right here, that's called mangools.com, but the process is very similar for all these websites right here on this list. So you can practically do that for any one of these websites that's on this list, but I'm going to show you how to do this with this website right here. I'm not going to give you the exact website that I used to make over $2,000 promoting it because I don't want that one to get too saturated. I want to keep riding that train for a little bit longer, but it is a similar site to mangools.com, so I'm going to show you how to do that on this example. All you need to do is just scroll all the way down here to this section right here, and what you want to select is affiliate program. Click on the button to be redirected to this site, and as you can see, you can get 30% lifetime commissions by promoting Mangools SEO tools. And as you can see, over 2 million people have used this website already, but that doesn't mean this website is stopping. This is just picking up because 2 million users for a site like this, that's way too low. So this site, in my opinion, is way underrated, and you can make great deal of money by promoting it. Now you can see the average monthly payout is around $487, which is pretty good because that's around the same number that I made for promoting the other website. Now what you want to do to start promoting is just click on this sounds good, show me more. You can see that the cost of these individual programs starts from $50 all the way to over $1,000. This is actually a good thing because you can appeal to a variety of customers. You may not be able to sell a $1,000 program to somebody who's just starting out, but they can start from this $50 program and work their way all the way to this $1,000 one. And actually, if you click on start earning now, you can see that the cookies for these affiliate links are 30 days. So even if you're promoting this right now and somebody makes a purchase or upgrades to a higher program, you can get paid without having to do any additional work for the next 30 days. Now to start promoting, just go ahead and read all these affiliate terms that are right here, scroll all the way down and click on Get Promo Materials. And right here you get your affiliate ID for this site and you can get your affiliate links here. They also provide a banners if you want to promote this for some paid advertisement campaign or on some websites. For example, if you want to promote this on your site, you can use this link to embed it to your website. But today I'm going to show you probably the best traffic source for this type of offers, and it's neither paid campaigns nor email. So what you want to do is just go ahead and grab your affiliate link, click on copy, then just go to Notepad and paste it somewhere where you will be able to access it later. And now to actually start promoting this, what you want to do is go to some free stock footage website. I'm using motionarray.com because I actually have a paid account for MotionArray, but if you don't want to be using a paid website, you can either use pixabay.com or pexels.com. This will function exactly the same thing. You just need to go to a free stock footage website, go to videos, look for footage, and what you want to look for is AI robots. Just hit enter. Now pick a video that has something to do with robots and AI. For example, I'm going with this one. You can choose any video that you want on any site that you want. I'm going to show you this process, how it actually works, so you can go ahead and use your own sources to recreate this, okay? So just go ahead and download the video that you have chosen, click on download to save it to your computer. Next, just head over to Canva and in the search bar type in TikTok video and choose a TikTok video template. You want to go for a blank template right here, and now you need to just upload the stock footage you have downloaded. Once you upload the video, just go ahead and stretch it and make sure it covers this entire canvas, because this is the side of a TikTok video and you want to make sure that it fills the entire page. So I'm going to position it something like this so it covers the entire canvas. Then just go to text right here, select add a heading, and now we need to create a simple TikTok style video. Just place the text up here and write in. Don't waste time with SEO optimization anymore. And actually I'm going to move it into the center because I want this robot to be visible in the background. Then just go to the elements right here and select one of these shapes to place it under the text, and also change the color so it makes the text stand out a little bit more. Once you do that, just go to this playhead section right here, position the playhead on 3 seconds or 3.5 seconds, for example something like this, and split the pages. Now in this second part, what you want to do is just add another text box, add a subheading, place it all the way down here and write exactly this. Check the link in description. Now just go to the elements again and place another shape under this text so it makes it stands out a little bit more. Then just change the color of this one to something different. That should look right, okay? And that's pretty much it. All you need to do now is just go to this share button right here, click on download and download it as a MP4. Once you download this, don't just close this yet. What you want to do is just go ahead and download yet another stock footage, for example something like this with the other robot. Create a bunch of these. You want to create like 5 or 6 of these TikToks, but for the sake of not making this video too long, I'm just going to show you how to do this with this one, but you want to create at least 5 or 6 of these. Then what you want to do is go to TikTok, click on this upload button right here, and you want to actually upload the video that you have created on Canvas. So just click on select file right here. Once the video gets uploaded to TikTok, what you want to do is go to this caption section and rewrite this into something like best SEO AI bot out there, link in bio. Then just post this TikTok, and once that's completed, go to your profile, and what you want to do is just, and down here in this bio section, just basically write something like this: best SEO bot out there. Then just paste your affiliate link from the notepad and click on save, and this is pretty much all you need to do to start promoting this. Now once one of your videos is going to get viral, they will come to your profile, they will see this link, go to this website, and once they sign up for one of these plans, you're going to get paid money. Now one of the reasons why I highly recommend promoting this on TikTok is that one of the videos is going to get viral and you're going to get thousands of people to visit this site, and actually because you promise a high quality SEO optimization bot, there's definitely going to be some signups, because who else search for SEO optimization bots other than people who do actually want to use them. Same goes for these other websites as well. You can promote every single one of these the same way that I have just showed you, and the best thing is only people who are looking for these type of services are going to be visiting the link. For example, when is the last time you were looking for a keyword research tool just for fun? Same goes for rank tracking software or auto website linker or any of these services. Only people who actually want to use them are looking for them, and if one of the videos is going to blow up on TikTok, which is almost guaranteed, you're going to get a lot of traffic to one of these sites that you're going to be promoting, and that's good for you because you are going to get paid. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just go to Google, search for scary robot tools, start promoting as many of these websites as you possibly can or want to, and there's literally no way you're not going to make any money with this. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already, and if you feel like this video wasn't the right fit for you, try checking out this one for example, and I'm going to see you next time.